Alright, so this is the jack shaft that I'm building right here. Let me get you in some better light here. This here is a 10-inch 5/8 3/16 key jack shaft. That's the mini hub, 1.25 inch by 20 bolts going through there. That is the sprocket from Staten. That's 415B type 10 tooth sprocket from Staten Inc. You got your one lock collar. You got your flange bearing, 1 3/8 by 5/8 flange bearings, 2 of them. And like I say, your shaft lock collar. On the other end, 2 shaft lock collars. One inside the slot, one outside the slot. But what you got here is you got some play inside. These jack shafts are going to have some play inside these bearings because the jack shaft they are sending are not 16 millimeters, which is 5/8. So you have some play in there. So I reckon what you want to do is just butt them up against. You want to butt your shaft collars up against your flange bearings, I guess, and see how that works. I'm going to be making. I'll show you something here real quick. .6. 15.8, and it's supposed to be 16, so you're going to be a little undersized. On your jack shafts. But that's basically the setup you're going to have if you want to change your jack shaft over. That's a 36 tooth aluminum sprocket. And what you can do, you can also get the 36 tooth steel sprocket, and you can drill holes where your mini hub. You can line up your holes for your mini hub, drill holes through it, and then you'll have a steel sprocket instead of a chintzy aluminum sprocket, which I'm going to do in the future. But right now, I just want to get it together, make sure everything's going to work all right. But that's what you got. Of course, you got to mock it up, and you're going to have to cut off your excess on the end. One end, you'll have to cut off your excess, and then that's what you'll have. Beautiful. It seems like it's going to be a much better setup than the factory jack shaft on the Phatmoto. So once I get it some decent weather, we're supposed to get some snow here in Western Maryland. I get some decent weather here in hopefully in the next week, and I'm going to make a video mocking it up and cutting it and setting it all up. All right, till then, bye.